Hello everyone and welcome to another video. Today we are discuss about top 10 modern wars and that's in history. So let's get started. In first number, Italian War. Italian War, also known as the Great War of Italy. This battle was fought between Holy Roman Empire, Spain and some Italian states versus France, Ottoman Empire and some another Italian states in 1494 to 1559. This fight was fought at southern Europe. Death rate in this war 30,000 to 40,000. In second number, Spanish conquest of the Aztec Empire, also known as the conquest of Mexico or the Spanish Aztec War. This was fought between Spanish colonial empire versus Aztec Empire. This was start from 1519 to 1632, a long battle period of 13 years. The location area of this battle is Mexico. Average death rate was above 23 lakh. In number 3, Mughal Maratha War. This is also called the Deccan War or the Maratha War of Independence, were fought between Maratha Empire and Mughal Empire. Main location of this battle, Bangladesh and India. In this battle, the numbers of deaths above than 50 lakhs plus. In number 4, Great Turkish War or the War of Holy League was a series of conflicts between the Ottoman Empire and the Holy League. This fight began in 1683. This battle was fought at the western areas of Europe. In this battle, the death rate above than 22 lakhs plus. In number 5, World War I was a global war that was started in 28 July 1914 to 11 November 1980. It's known as the Great War or the War to End All Wars. Total death estimate of this war was 16 crore to 40 crore plus. In number 6, Spanish Civil War. It was civil war of Spanish fought from 1936 to 1939. That was fought in Spain between nobilities and republican. In this battle, number of deaths 10 lakh plus. Number 7, World War II. World War II was a second global war that lasted from 1939 to 1942. It involved a vast majority of the world country, including all the great powers. In this battle, the rate of deaths 5 crore 61 lakh and 25,000 to 8 crore 50 lakh. In number 8, Korean War. Korean War fought between South Korea and allies versus North Korea and allies in 1950 to 1953 with estimated death rate 50 lakh to 40 lakh. In number 9, Bangladesh Liberation War. This war, also known as the Independence War of Bangladesh, is fought between India and Bangladesh versus Pakistan in 1974. In this war, the rate of death above than 30 lakh. In 10 number, War of Northwest Pakistan. It started 2004 to 2017 between Pakistan, USA and UK versus terrorist group. It was fought in Pakistan. In this war, number of deaths is 45,000 to 79,000. So guys, this was the top modern war. Hope you like this video. If you like, please give thumbs up and subscribe and also press bell icon. Thanks for watching.